Alright guys, this is my wife's 1999 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. She has 350,000 miles on it, or 345 or something. Let's see if I can. Hi, sweetheart. Would you mind grabbing the keys? Thanks. So, she got this basically for free. I'm gonna tell you what all a 350,000 mile truck needed. It came from, let's just say the previous owner really liked duct tape. That says a lot. First thing, it needed new tail lights. So she got these USA LED tail lights. They're pretty cool. They're on Amazon. They're like 85 bucks. The parking lights light up as the flag. And then if you hit the brake lights, they light up brighter. Also got the third brake light as the USA one too. And then the blinker flashes USA. That's pretty freaking cool. And then it needed a third brake light, so pick the cargo light, please. Yep. All LEDs, and then the brake light is the flag. All right. And then, so it needed that to be basically legal. It needed, let me show you the mileage. So you know I'm not lying. 346,797 miles. So, obviously the rear shocks, they were blown. That piece is rusted there, but that's nothing. That's not structurally. Well, we got new rear shocks on there. They were 40 bucks for the pair. They were actually Moog shocks. On Amazon, they were half off, so that was a good deal. The only bad spots of rust are right there on the bed, both sides, and then the rockers, of course, are gone, but the cab corners are good. She did get hit by a deer, supposedly, so I have not yet taken this apart to see. It's all bent up in here and everything, you know. But we put LED lights in the headlights. All the lights work. The light bar works. Came with it. This piece was off from hitting a deer. I re-put it on the bug guard. And the lower black piece for the bumper there was off. I put that back on. got the famous 5.3 right there. LS 5.3 Vortec. It needed a number 4 coil. So that's brand new. Plugs and wires. It had a misfire on cylinder 4. It was just a coil pack. When I first got it, you start it up, it would run really rough. And the guy I bought it from said, yeah, it clears up after a while. No. Anyways, it was running rough because the fuel pressure regulator was bad. So replace that. That was $10. The guy said the AC didn't work. All it really needed was, can't really see, but all you needed was the AC belt, which is right here. The belt was gone, and it needed the belt tensioner for the AC. And we've had the truck now for, I don't know, about a month. AC still ice cold, so that's a win. Came with a battery from February 2024, so that's cool. Obviously changed the oil. It needed new tires, so I had tires sitting in my shop, and I have a really nice fancy tire machine, so just did that all for free. Painted the rims are black. They're mismatched rims, but they're all like 5-star rims, so you can't really tell. I don't know. They come with the hitch. Like I said, the only bad spots of rust is that piece where the spare tire is, which doesn't matter, and above the fender here, the bed, and the other side, and just the rockers, but the cab corners are good. Yeah, it has whiskey dents here and there. This will be popped out. That's no problem. So the guy, anyways, got the truck. It had a cigarette lighter adapter, little LED lights for the dash that went here because the dash lights didn't work. All right, guys, headlight switch. This whole piece, $10 on Amazon, and all the dash lights work, all the gauge lights work, everything. It was only $10 for that. It was $10 for the fuel pressure regulator to make it run like it should. I didn't have a radio. I put a double din in for my wife, so she's got a radio and she's got a little boom boom back there. This was basically an old farm truck, so it's yeah, the seat's a little wore out, but all the bags work and adjustments and everything. This is messed up, but it is what it is. But I'll start her up. And also the exhaust was gone, so welded on a glass pack. This is the crazy part. It has about 40 psi oil pressure, and it's 60 going down the highway. The engine light's on because of evap code, which I'm not worried about that. Oh, yeah. She runs strong. She absolutely loves it. Oh, the rear brakes. We got new rotors, pads on the back. The rear rotors were thinner than a piece of paper, and the pads were completely gone. This truck was abused. The fronts are good, and it needed a front left ball joint. If anyone knows about ball joints on these, they're a pain. So instead of taking a chisel and hammer and everything to knock out the rivets for the ball joints, I just bought the lower control arm that came with the ball joint and threw it on. Less than an hour of work, but she drives straight. I mean, we only got like under $200 for a truck that literally I just had a bunch of stuff laying around that I just traded straight up for it. So but she's real happy with it. Probably gonna rhino line the whole truck. Obviously the paint is, gone on the hood, but but yeah, she probably put she put over 1,000 miles on her so far, and it's been doing great. The transmission looks like it's brand new, like it was just replaced. It looks so clean. There's no drips or nothing. I can't verify if the motor's original or not. I mean, it's a 5.3, so it probably is. The transmission shifts like it's brand new. Cruise control even works. The AC works. It's unbelievable. But it just needed a bunch of small little cheap parts. And the front end will be like a wintertime project for me. But it just needs a grill. It needs new lenses and everything. She wants to get like clear black lenses to match the taillights, of course, but like I said, the guy liked zip tie and duct tape.